In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Ctrader on Windows. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head to ctrader.com. Make sure you're on the official website so you're downloading the genuine application. A reliable internet connection helps the process run smoothly, and it's a good idea to keep your browser updated to avoid any compatibility hiccups. On the home page, look for the Get Ctrader button and click it. You'll see platform options available. Choose Windows, since that's what we're installing today, and then click Download Ctrader. Your browser may ask where to save the file, or it might place it directly in your Downloads folder. Keep an eye on the download progress, and remember where the file is saved so you can find it easily. Once the download finishes, locate the installer file with the .exe extension and double-click it. If Windows shows a security prompt or asks whether you want to run this file, go ahead and choose Run. This is a standard check to confirm you initiated the installation. The setup wizard will open. Click Run if prompted, then click Next to proceed through the initial screens. You can accept the default installation location unless you have a specific folder in mind. When you're ready, click Install. The installer will copy the necessary files to your system. This can take a moment, so let it finish without putting your computer to sleep or closing the window. When the installation completes, click Finish to close the wizard. If you see an option to launch the application immediately, you can leave it as is, or simply finish and open it yourself in the next step. Now, open Ctrader from your desktop shortcut or from the Start menu by searching for Ctrader. The first launch might take a little longer as the app initializes and sets up its components, which is perfectly normal. Finally, log in with your account. Enter your existing credentials carefully and make sure Caps Lock isn't on. If your organization uses extra sign-in verification, just follow the on-screen prompts. Once you're in, you should see the platform interface load, and you'll be ready to explore and configure your workspace. That's it. You've successfully downloaded, installed, opened, and signed in to Ctrader on Windows. If the download doesn't start or the installer stalls, try re-downloading from the official site, temporarily pausing aggressive antivirus scanning, or restarting your PC and running the installer, again as an administrator. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new setup.